So, ladies and gentlemen, it has happened again. Do you know that recently a lady, or let me say a young girl, yes, a young girl, lady, young girl, it's okay, it's a guy. A lady donated her kidney to her boyfriend. And after some days, it was not even up to 2 weeks. She has not even recovered.
I donated my kidney to my boyfriend. Then he did the unthinkable. He was on dialysis for 2 years before we met. Seeing how he had to connect to a machine every night for 9 hours, I just couldn't sit there and watch him suffer. He pretty much showed me the brochure of who to call if I was interested in donating to him. I probably should have saw that as a red flag. I got tested. We were a match. The surgery took about 5 hours. I had an incision right below my bikini line and the 2 dots that were used for the cameras and the tools. I still feel normal to this day, and you still could live a normal life with just 1 kidney. By giving away my kidney, he was able to get off of dialysis. 7 months after the surgery, he confessed to cheating. To this day, even after everything he put me through, the heartache, the cheating, the ghosting, I still don't regret donating my kidney to him, because I can never take back saving someone's life.
The boy cheated on her. He cheated on her after donating her own kidney to the boy. Let me tell you something. I am not against anybody trying to save somebody's life. But one thing you should understand is this. You see my gender? Man, fear man. Fear man. If you like, donate your 2 kidney. He will see it on you. Men are not satisfied. We can never be satisfied. I'm telling you. Even I told you before, even Samson with 300 wives, we see cheating and then we say 100 concubines. Talking of only 1 girl. How can you look at a man and trust a man with your life? With your kidney?
Nah. That man is wicked. That man is really wicked. Even for me, that one is too much. Uncle, that one is too much.
What you are saying, there's something, Papa. When we are taking actions, we don't remember things that you have done before. I will not see anything wicked about it.
So we got short memory.
This is the problem. Immediately this one stand. This one will off.
There is off lights up there. There is on lights down there.
It is like switch. If you want this one will off. He did not remember when that he gave donated kidney for him.
He didn't even know who gave him the kidney.
He was not able to remember. And then, and like I said, it was not even up to 2 weeks. He cheated on the girl. As I talk to you now, the boy is not going to be found. He has run away. He's looking for a lady with 2 kidneys. Because you know this one only has 1 kidney. Maybe he's thinking about what if he engages with the girl in bed or something, and they are doing some praise and worship, and the girl faints because she has only 1 kidney. And maybe obviously the guy would have
wait, the girl faint.
No, I said maybe he is thinking that since the girl has only 1 kidney, it's possible if they do. The girl may not have power to continue, she will just die. So he decided to go for a girl that has 2 kidneys.
Uncle, you are moving around. You are moving around, Uncle.
No. Actually, I was on my own when the news came.
On your own?
I was just there. You know, people that go, we don't go for news. News
comes to you. This guy is dangerous.
So, I just want to advise people. Ladies, please. I don't tell you not to help a brother. If you want to help him. But don't ever you think that we will not cheat on you. Even Beyonce. What's his name? What's your husband's name again?
Who you mean?
This man, Jesse. Thank you. He's son of the soil. He still cheated on Beyonce.
A son of the soil.
Beyonce was having dark hair. And then he cheated on Beyonce with the lady that has blood. That was what he did at that moment. Man, you have to trust a man. Adam, you cannot trust Adam. Adam will disappoint you. I'm very sorry.
No,
ladies and gentlemen,
I think
please.
that one is an exception.
I would advise the men, please. Sometimes, if you want to cheat on her, not 2 weeks after the kidney transplant. Wait, maybe 2 weeks or 2 days. A man will cheat. You cannot trust man. You cannot trust a man. Thank you. Let me be going.
Uncle,
You cannot trust a man. Men are wicked.